Guys, mayroon nag-chat sa akin. Basher. Guys, sabi niya ang bahay namin pangit daw. Ililipot daw niya ako. Tignan nyo guys, yung comment niya guys. Wait lang. Ang pangalan niya, Barbs. Poor. I'm so poor. I'm so poor. I'm so poor. I'm so poor talaga. Actually, hindi yun aming bahay. Basher. Poor. I'm so poor guys, you know, I'm so poor.